John Savage all day.
When you're at the bottom, truths get so cut loud. Cut loud. The ones who out knocking you down. Knocking you down. Gather up in rounds, feeling out on them shots. Hit you hard and they hit you rot. Where it's wrong, where it's wrong. Like that party that you didn't belong, but it's been all snuff in that stuff. Snuff. People lurking up in the shadows, watching it from afar. Can't handle the fact that you're meant to be a star. Going far, tapping in the rhymes and the rhythms that they can't play up on their own. Shit value for you. Thinking that you could keep you locked up out of you. Genuine hits harder and deep. That kind of new light, the new right, the new nightclub to climb. Hear the rhymes of the rhythms we ride. Coming out here in the middle of the night. True loyalty stays deep in that true sleep that you cut right through. In that dream, not no nightmarish gleam, not no nightmarish steam. They gotta show up raw, no matter how they masked up in their intentions. Real thick, not a word of doubt, not a hint of that kind of tension. They wanted you lopped off with somebody else's grind. Winning harder and harder, this is your fucking grind. You're gonna make it, gonna make it. So make it. This is 7,868% real. It's that whole homegrown kind of cut your grind feel. Built up on that y'all different, y'all different. You're built right, you're built right. They can't see it, they can't fake or hide. This is the true ones coming to the heel. Up in that true game, that playing that homie kind of country grind feel. Hyperpop sound coming up in this hip hop. Don't stop, cause I'm here to stand it all out tall now. Written my own songs, feel the ones lurking out inside of that heart's refrain. Who's gonna stand by my side by side, man? 7,868% real. It's kinda homie going kinda country feel. Trying to every single move I make in this hyperpop value. No reason to hide who they want me down in, who they want me down. So inside of that cloud and coming all around. The betrayal cut so deep, coming up from the bloodline is real thick. Family coming around, nah, they gonna grind it down to the nothing left. Like that sandpaper, masturbation and chill. While you gonna cut your grind if they fail in that new plane. And no fake congrats, no player games. They wanted to knock you down in some kind of dark light, acting like they're gonna be up on that plot. Forgetting that love, keeping that love off safety. I'm putting it back up inside of my grind.